Hi everyone, welcome back to Life in My Kitchen. I'm going to be making a braided cinnamon bread today. For the dough, we're going to start with 1 kilo 550 grams of cake flour, 4 eggs, 750 ml of lukewarm water, 30 grams of instant dry yeast, which is equivalent to 3 small sachets, 125 ml of cooking oil, 10 grams of salt and 130 grams of sugar. To start, we're going to put the water and the sugar into the bowl of a stand mixer. Give it a little stir, and we're then going to add the yeast on top and the oil. We can now add the eggs, the flour, and the salt. I'm going to attach the dough hook and we're going to turn it on the low speed to start with. We're going to melt 100 grams of butter. As soon as the butter is completely melted, you're going to turn it off, and we're going to add 150 grams of castor sugar, and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. You're just going to mix it together. Just want to roll each piece into each other. And I'm now just going to press it gently. You're now going to start rolling. You want to split it into 3. At the end you're going to fold it, and at the top you're going to fold it in as well.